To use the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, start by downloading and installing the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and select the option to enroll in mobile banking if you are a new user. Existing users can log in with their username and password. To enroll, you will need to provide your account information, including your account number and social security number. You will also be asked to create a username and password for the app. Choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your account. After logging in, you will see the dashboard, which provides an overview of your accounts, including your checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. From the dashboard, you can navigate to different sections of the app, such as account activity, transfers, and bill pay. To view your account activity, select the account you want to view and the app will display your recent transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and purchases. You can also search for specific transactions by date or description. To transfer money, select the transfer option and choose the accounts you want to transfer from and to. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select the transfer date. You can also set up recurring transfers, such as transferring money from your checking account to your savings account each month. To pay bills, select the bill pay option and choose the payee you want to pay. Enter the payment amount and select the payment date. You can also set up recurring payments, such as paying your mortgage or credit card bill each month. The Fifth Third Bank mobile app also allows you to deposit checks remotely using your smartphone. Camera. To deposit a check, select the deposit option and follow the instructions to take a picture of the check. Enter the check amount and select the account you want to deposit the check into. In addition to these features, the Fifth Third Bank mobile app also provides budgeting tools, such as the ability to track your spending and create a budget. You can also set up account alerts, such as low balance alerts or large transaction alerts, to help you stay on top of your finances. To ensure the security of your account, always log out of the app when you are finished using it and keep your username and password confidential. Also, make sure to update the app regularly to ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. By following these steps and using the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, you can easily and securely manage your finances on the go.